Welcome back to the Graham Stephan Show. So there's this whole category on YouTube called Guess the Millionaire, where they get a lineup of people and you have to guess who's the rich one. Now, most of the time, it's a whole bunch of guys behind the scene trying to guess who's wealthy and who's not. But this time, it's a group of women, and I want to see if I could guess right alongside with them on today's episode of Guess the Millionaire by a Millionaire. So how about this, guys? If you enjoy these videos, it does help tremendously if you hit the like button or subscribe. If you're gonna do either one of them, hit the like button. I found lately it is really helping the algorithm. So the more likes a video gets, the more it could get recommended to other people who could also hit the like button. So thank you guys so much, and now let's begin.
We have 6 individuals here, strangers, but one of them is a millionaire. We have to figure out who it is. Let's go with some first impression guesses without hearing anything from them.
Are you judging a book by its cover?
You look poor, you look rich.
Alright, I'm gonna take a look. The one at the far left, maybe. Red hair, no. This guy, no. You could tell by his posture. Doesn't have a lot of confidence in him, so I would say no to the millionaire on that. This lady, possibly. This guy with the white, maybe. And the guy at the end, my vote's the guy at the end. You can just tell he's got a very confident stance to him. He's not overdressed, he's not underdressed, he has nothing to prove. My guess is the guy at the very end. He's the millionaire. Lock it in. Let's see if I'm right.
I'm going to say the man in the blue shirt right here is the millionaire. Yep, you heard it here first. That is the millionaire. I'm calling it right now.
I hope you're wrong just by your attitude.
Yeah, she's right alongside with it. See? She knows what's up. He's the millionaire. Hopefully. Or I'm terribly wrong.
I'm gonna go my guess based off shoes. Listen to the logic. I'm gonna go with the man in the white long sleeve because, no offense, but you probably got the scuffiest shoes. But millionaires are too busy to worry about like clean shoes.
Oh, no. It's, his whole demeanor does not scream money at all. Maybe if it's by inheritance, I just can't see it. It's very sheepish. Is that a way to describe people? Sheepish? Just a little more, you know, he's not sure of himself.
I'm gonna go with the lady in the red.
I'm going with the man to her right. What do you do for a living?
I own royalty.
You own what?
Royalty.
Like royalty of something. He and an NFT, I'm telling you.
So he's getting royalties, right? He own royalty? What? Owns royalty? Unless he's saying, I am royalty. I am royalty. He's from a royal family. Or he gets royalties from something. It could be music, could be royalties from, like, you know, natural gas, fossil fuels. We don't know yet.
What do you do for work?
I don't. I'm pregnant.
Okay, noted. When you have a baby, no working.
What did you do prior?
Prior, when I was in England, I was a glamour model, and then I became a model booker, and then I was presenter for swimsuit UK.
We can't kick out the pregnant one.
Yeah, you know, the thing is, she's not giving concise answers. It seems like she's a bit wavering. You ask her a question, wavers a little, oh, well, I did this, I did that, I did. Millionaire would just tell you, straight to your face is what I do, so I made my money.
Ross, what kind of car do you drive?
I don't.
Do you get driven?
Do you have a driver? A chauffeur, okay, interesting.
I wouldn't say chauffeur, driver.
I also have a driver that I book on Uber.
Yeah, listen, real millionaires, I don't want to say real millionaires. There's a lot of people who have drivers and chauffeurs. Most of the time, 99% of cases, it's unneeded. There's no use for it. You know, you could make phone calls from the car. It's not taking up that much time. It's not like you can get extra work done for most people. So I'm going to call cap on that.
You know the Van Gogh exhibition that's going on in Melbourne right now? Yeah. I'm the marketing.
Oh, I love that.
Okay, and what do you do for work?
I do several things, but the main one's legal secretary.
What area are you in?
Tax.
So, tax evasion?
Yeah, no, she's not making that much money from that. She said a secretary, so she probably knows some part of the law, but she's not getting paid the $800,000 a year as some people are.
What are you passionate about outside of what you do for work?
Sport.
Betting.
Do you have a gambling addiction?
I don't gamble, I don't drink.
Ooh, people that don't drink.
Yeah, they have their life. A millionaire. Don't drink, no drugs, no gambling.
You know what? They're not exactly wrong. I'd say in a lot of cases, it takes focus to get good at a business. You have to be at your top at all times. If you don't, if you start wearing down, other people are going to take over. It's the nature of competition. If you're not at your best, other people will be. They'll take over at some point. So I think drinking goes hand in hand with that.
I'm happy with whatever because I have literally no idea. This is way harder than I ever
Yeah.
did.
It's hard because you don't want to offend, but we also want to be funny.
It's like, you look poor. You look so poor. We've got to get rid of one. I feel like this is a safe bet. No offense, we think you're poor.
Bye, Ross.
Safe bet. What about the guy with the white shirt or the pink hair? There's so many other safe bets. As long as it's not the guy at the end, though. I still think he's the millionaire.
What car do you drive?
I've got a Holden Commodore, but a long story behind it, but I'm getting a Range Rover.
Oh, okay. Stepping it up.
Oh, I don't like the long story. There's no long story. What car do you drive? That's it. There's no long story. I'm going to Range Rover. No long stories. Again, millionaires right to the point.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm in the Nissan, my husband's in the Honda.
Yeah.
Testarossa.
What is that?
Ferrari.
Millionaire!
No, see, that's the thing. Oh, man. I don't like my answer anymore. No one would daily drive a Testarossa. It just doesn't happen. They're terrible cars to daily. Wouldn't work. I don't get it. He could have said any other car. The Testarossa, I'm not buying it.
What is your go-to coffee order in the morning?
What is it going to tell you about a millionaire?
No, I'm talking about, we could probably take out a person based on if they drink dairy or not. What is your thought process?
Are you okay?
Which people are lactose intolerant?
No, you know what? The go-to coffee is making it at home. For anyone that doesn't know this, but I have a company, it's called Bankroll Coffee. We sell our own coffee. You can make it at home. It's one of the best prices out there for the quality shipped right to your home. I think there's free shipping too on orders over $35. So if you're interested, bankrollcoffee.com. It's what I drink all the time. It's good.
What milk do you have in your coffee if you have coffee?
No, I think the coffee. No. I don't think it's the milk. It's the coffee order in general.
All right, what's your coffee
I don't
order?
drink coffee.
Okay.
Okay.
Interesting.
Oh, I'm an espresso girl.
It's a regular oat milk latte, no foam with 3 sugars.
Oh no, she's that person who's going into Starbucks ordering complicated stuff like that. She seems like the type that would go to Blue Bottle Coffee, pay $9 for a latte.
I've picked who I want now.
okay.
Yeah, Vicky.
Tana said something about, the working, people work for you
Yeah.
in Rich, and 19 hours is a lot of hustle. So I think we kick out Vicky, I'm sorry.
Vicky, I'm so sorry.
Oh, you're kicking me out?
They're doing everything wrong. They're kicking out the people that work the most. That's how you make the money. She could be doing the salaries of like 20 people with just her. Because she's that good at what she does. I don't know why they're kicking out all the people I like.
What do you do for a living?
I own a franchise
How many have you got?
in Melbourne,
Gosh.
5 in Melbourne, 1 in South Australia, 1 in America, and 1 in the Middle East.
Yeah, you know what? That's the thing. He could be telling the truth on that. Franchises, it depends on what franchise it is. You can't hire a lot of it out. Still time consuming to manage the store and manage the people, but it could be done.
How are your parents rich?
So I did real estate in Italy. I was born and raised in Italy. My dad saw opportunities, so we came to Australia for more tourists.
I don't know. What...
Have you seen Selling Sunset?
Yeah, but that's like LA.
Hey, Selling Sunset. Type in Graham Stephan Selling Sunset. You'll see me in the background of that show a lot. I used to work at the Oppenheim Group. I was really one of their first agents that they hired on 2014 or 15 when they first opened up the West Hollywood location. I was there. That's how I really started from doing YouTube in the back of the office there. You go back and see some old videos that were filmed upstairs at the Oppenheim Group. Fun times. I miss it. It's funny they're mentioning it though.
I feel like you're selling it hard, but I do think, what parent gives them $1 million like that young? Do you want me to pick?
Yeah.
Any, mini, money, money, catch it, fucking find the two. If let's let it go. Yeah, so I'm gonna go Ellis. I think everybody so.
God, I didn't believe that story at all. Just watch me be wrong on that. Watch it be her. I just don't buy it.
You said you're currently not working, yes? And that you're living off the royalty you got. But you have a building that you go to.
What are you working towards?
Like I said, I'm looking for opportunities. So I'm still, I'm young.
I'm looking for opportunities. So I have to go to my office to look for opportunity. No, you don't. Don't believe the story at all. No one's just randomly going to an office looking at opportunities. You could do that from home and save the money.
I've picked my millionaire. It's Samantha.
You think?
It's Samantha.
No.
Samantha.
I'm Vito.
Vitro. Sorry, Vincent. Sorry.
Yeah, there he goes. Get him out. I'm surprised he lasted this long. It's the guy with the blue shirt. Again, I'm locking that in. I still maintain that. Besides the Testarossa answer, it's a weird answer for a car to daily drive. Unless that's one of many cars.
Scissors, paper, rock, let's go.
Paper, scissors, show.
We think the millionaire is Samantha. Can the millionaire step forward?
Oh, darn. Man, come on. That was terrible. Why am I so bad at this? She won. She won a game of rock, paper, scissors, and they picked her and they were right. It's not how you determine these things.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like the video, and you'll become a millionaire yourself.
Really? How much do you earn?
I guess everything she was saying was true, so we just assume that's true. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments section. I do my best to read as many comments as possible. Let me know if this is the person you guessed, and also feel free to get some free stocks down below in the description. I got a paid affiliate link down there. I think it's worth up to a few $1,000s depending on what you get when you sign up, so enjoy. Let me know which free stocks you get. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, and until next time.